Hubert Sanders here with WCI. Let's take a look at Oracle. Now, in last week's video, we talked about a way that you could play Oracle's earnings. So I want to go over and rehash that a little bit to make sure that everybody's on the same page. So this was the day before earnings, all right? And then they released earnings, and this is the reaction that you're looking for. And I'm going to zoom in here just a little bit better, just so it kind of showcases what we're talking about here. So on this example, what we're looking for is we're not going to place a trade here, all right? And we're not even going to place a trade here. So there's 1 day, 2 days that we're just sitting there doing nothing. Now what we're going to do is after we get the reaction, then we're going to bracket the trade. We're going to look for the low, and we're going to look for the high. This is the high, and then this would be considered the low, all right? Then what we're going to actually wait for is the very next day, the third day, is if we take out the low of this day, if we take out the low here, we're going to short that. We're going to short that here, and we're going to use this as our stop loss, okay? Now, if we would have reversed this, and if it would have went above the high, we would have used this as our long stop and this as our stop. So let me show you what I mean, because it's usually easier to do with horizontal lines, okay? So what we're going to do is after you've got the reaction, you're going to bracket the high, and you're going to bracket the low. Okay. Now on this day here, what you're looking for is a move up above 32.93, which would get you long, and you would use a stop loss of 32.20. If that doesn't take place, then what you do is you look for the market to break down through 32.20, and you use a stop loss of 32.93, and then you've got a target down below. So in this case scenario, this will be our stop. That'll be our entry. This will be our stop, and then you're looking for that market to continue going lower. And then from that point, then you're just looking for good targets. So here you've got some support at 31.45. Target's already been tagged on that one. And then you're going to go all the way down here to $30. So it's not too late to get short Oracle. It's a little bit higher risk trade now just because you're a couple points away from that. But that's how you would do an earnings trade. Good luck. Hope it helps. And I'll see you on the next video.